Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow people to share your Instagram stories in messages. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon on the bottom right to be directed to your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And then go down underneath where it says how others can interact with you and select sharing and reuse. So if you want to allow for the ability for stories and messages to be shared, you can toggle this option on or off. If it's grayed out, it means it's off. If it's lit up blue, it means that feature is enabled and people can share your story. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.